Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about pages that load between 1 and 2 seconds. You can see this within the summary tab of our reporting section, which can be accessed from the side menu. Pages that load between 1 and 2 seconds are marked as informational here, so they're not quite an error. Google recommend that pages should load within 2 seconds, although with mobile first indexing that's starting to increase, and you might want to start to look at the issues that are causing pages to load in more than 1 second. On the Raptor site, all of our pages load in less than 1 second, so there is no data to show within this category if we click on it. However, if we go back and have a look at the particular page speed section, what you'll see is this is split up into different categories. You can also select the latest crawl that's been done or a previous crawl that's been done and compare those numbers and see the difference between them here. This typically shows the number of pages that differ between the two categories. And we also show within the PageSpeed Spec section some information about what that means. So pages that fall into this category are load under 2 seconds, and Google recommend that this is the maximum amount of load time. So you can also see by going into the SEO Audit section from the side menu here, selecting the project that you would like to look at, and click on the go button. You can also select any past crawls if you want to look at historical data, and simply go to the technical section and you'll see a distribution chart that shows what this looks like. And you can also see this and compare it to other sites in the competitor analysis, which we cover in more depth in other videos, to see how your site compares to your competitors. Well, that's everything you probably need to know about pages that load between 1 and 2 seconds. We look forward to seeing you next time.